You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro.
Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever and whenever you're watching this video. This is your friend Deus here, and of course, welcome back to the channel Fill the Automobile. I hope you guys have seen my previous video. If you haven't, I put the link in the description down below. Now, you must have seen that it's been very long time since I've uploaded my previous video, but it's been raining very heavily from the last 15 or 20 days and we were not able to go out. So today is the day, it's another Sunday morning. Fortunately, it's sunny out there. So we're gonna go out and we're gonna make a cool video once again. So the video you are watching right now, this is I'm shooting separately. So let me just give you a brief that what we did on this day. So a friend of mine who owns KTM RC 200, he came from Ahmedabad, and as I told you that it's been raining heavily from last few days. So he just came, the bike was in bit dirty condition. So we cleaned it up, we went to our shooting location, and I also thought that what's the point of making just cinematic videos which does not have any information in it. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna dig into the motorcycle and I'm gonna try to make this video as more informative as I can. So if you're ready guys, let's get started.
Gonna play now, ready for the show. I'm about to take down, you already know. Get the fuck out of my face now, yeah you gotta go. Man, I'm on the chase now, leave me on my own. I got a chance to break now, here I fucking go. Take control of fate now, I control my flow. And I know that I'll be great, how I'm putting on a show. I know that I'ma stay loud, drowning out the noise. The haters always thinking that they could fucking break me. They're better off eating their own words like pastries. And you better find some fucking safety. I'm coming in hot like a bad bitch and pasties. They can't save me, no I ain't lazy, no. But society has me going so crazy, yo. Don't blame me, no my mind's hazy, yo. And I'm sick of me feeling this way daily. I'll always live my life till it's over, and I will not forgive those who hold me down. And I will never give up, I'm moving forward. And I will never miss my chance, take it now. And I always live my life till it's over, and I will never give those who hold me down. And I will never give up, I'm moving forward. And I will never miss my chance, take it now. You got one life, so live it right. Keep your friends tight and your family tight. Never cease to fight for the things you think are right, 'cause you're just like fire. Control of your
Okay, so we are back on the roads again. Oh, the horn is not working, I think. It was working, but now it's not working. Okay, it's pretty hot actually here. Oh, it sounds good. It does sound good, man. Okay, let's check out what this bike got. Oh god, this is phenomenal. Oh man, the power this motorcycle got is really insane. But yeah, for sure, it's not much powerful than that bike, because that is 250cc, and this one we're riding right now, it's 200cc motorcycle. But still, oh man, the power is insane. The sound it makes over 5,000 RPM. I'll have to stop. Okay, another empty stroke, and I'm gonna again I hit the brake pedal.
Gonna play now, ready for the show. I'm about to take down, you already know. Get the fuck out of my face now, yeah, you gotta go. Man, I'm on the chase now.
KTM RC 200, a motorcycle which is designed with one purpose only: to make you feel like a MotoGP rider. The riding posture is so committed that you'll have to completely lean over the tank to reach to the handlebar. The front forks are dropped down a bit to give you a better front end feel. Foot pegs are rear side and the rear tail section is raised up. This combination gives you a complete riding ergonomics which you might find on any Moto3 motorcycle. This motorcycle comes with 200cc single-cylinder liquid-cooled engine which produces 25.3 bhp of power, which is enough to give you that adrenaline rush. Believe me, this motorcycle is a mental fast. It's not all good about this motorcycle. Like, riding this bike in a bumper-to-bumper traffic is really a pain in the ass. If you're not used to with this kind of riding position, you'll start to feel the pain in your palm and back just after a few minutes of riding. A track day or a short highway rides, these are the things for which this motorcycle is made for. Although if you know the right technique, I won't be surprised that you can cover miles on this motorcycle.